Noswaith croeso, good evening and welcome to the Bluebird's Nest Live. Another of County's travels, another away day in the 25-26 JD Cymru Premier season. Moments away from match the Bluebirds campaign, 54th league fixture of the season. And so we've headed up the M4 for a tough test against Briton Ferry, Llansamel, looking to build upon a positive start to Phase 2. Claimed an impressive 2-0 victory away at Cardiff Met a fortnight ago. Goals from Abu, Risa Brusesi and Corey Shepherd sealing all 3 points on that night. Set the tone for what the Bluebirds will hope for a strong playoff conference run. The Briton Ferry Llansamel also began Phase 2 in winning fashion. They ran out 3-1 victors at home to Llanelli Town. Tom Price opened the scoring in the first half of the Reds before former Bluebird Danny Williams struck just a minute after the restart to level things up. But then it was Andy Dyer's side who pulled away, Kian Jenkins, and the returning forward, Sam Snaith, finding the net to claim the spoils. Tonight, the two teams were just entering the pitch this evening. They met just 3 weeks ago in what proved to be a really dramatic encounter. On the occasion, it was Ferry who came away on top, a 3-2 victory at the Oggy Bridge Meadow. The Reds, they raced into a 3-0 half-time lead through goals from Ollie Anderson, Tom Walters and Alex Gammond. Tony Pennock's men showed real character after the break. Ben Arman pulled one back with his 13th goal of the season before youngster Harry Thomas opened his senior account for the club. But despite a late push, the comeback just fell short. A few more minutes, and I really do believe we'd have managed to pinch a point on the night, but it wasn't to be. Team news for tonight, following a really good debut last time out, Jacob Bacon, the 18-year-old defender, a product of Doncaster Rovers Academy. He maintains his starting place for his second start, just in front of goalkeeper Ivan Knott, joined at the heart of defence by Kyle McCarthy, captain Dylan Rees. On the flanks tonight, Risa Brusesi and Ricky Watts. Midfield three, Greg Walters, Corey Shepherd and Kyle Kenneford. And up top, Dan Hawkins and Ben Arman. Strong bench tonight, Owain Jones, Harry Thomas, Will Hughes, Yori Humphreys, Panache Makwiramiti, Alaric Jones and Luke Rees. As for the hosts, Briton Ferry Llansamel, they make 2 changes to their starting lineup. Sam Snaith, who returned, as I said, 4 months out a fortnight ago, scoring after coming on as a sub, pretty much his first touch, with a couple of seconds on the pitch. He starts tonight alongside a returning Kieran Williams, who also comes into the starting lineup instead of Ollie Anderson and Luke Cooper. We're just about to head into a minute silence here at Old Road, the Renewable Stadium. Mark of respect for Johan Evans from Avonlide, who recently passed. Very respectful from everyone here at the Renewables Centre Stadium tonight. Special mark of respect for the late Johan Evans, an Avonlide player, formerly of Cardiff Met, local to the area. So respect from both teams and supporters in and around the ground ahead of kick-off here. As I said, the hosts, Briton Ferry Llansamel, have made 2 changes. They start with Will Fuller in goal, Bates, Jenkins, Williams, Gammond, Price, Walter Snaith, Owen, Bates and Fannin. And it's a bench that includes 2 former Bluebirds, Rio Dyer and Ryan George. Everything's set for what promises to be another competitive chapter between the 2 sides tonight. Plenty at stake in the playoff conference. Man in the middle, Ryan Kenny, both in a clean-shaven head haircut tonight, supported by Jordan Christopher and Connor Thomas. And the 4th official in front of us here, in between the 2 dugouts, is a Mr. Bryn Markham Jones. It's an absolute scalping the referees had there. It's been lashing down over the last hour here in Briton Ferry. So the game did actually go through a last-minute pitch inspection. It passed, and it looks to be over the worst. It's a clear night. It's a chilly night here. And Ricky Lee Owen for the home side is going to get us underway. The Bluebirds all in white away kit, obviously designed by Tor Sports, sponsored by DragonBet, and the home side all in red in their traditional colours. We are almost underway. Final checks, assistants in place, decent crowd in the last minute here coming out of the clubhouse. Please do let us know in the chat whereabouts you all are joining us from. I know a number of the loyal and faithful Bluebird supporters are here with us. Made the journey up the M4. As Ferry put it straight out for a throw in on the far side. Scorio cameras in the gantry on the far side too. I'm sure they'll be bringing you all the highlights across social media and YouTube later on this evening. The opposite side to where I'm sat, pretty much on the halfway line. Pretty decent view here from the back seats of the main stand at Ferry. Long ball forward for Abruzzese. Dan Hawkins, who started up top tonight, almost got on the end of it, but Greg Walters wins second ball, clips it forward. Fuller's going to come and collect. Inside the box, right on the tip. Always good communication from the keeper, experienced goalkeeper, formerly Cardiff Met and Merthyr. Got a good kick in him. We'll be looking for the skies. It does indeed. Huge upward incline on a kick. Goes forward. Snaith has got on the end of it. Barges his way through. Clips it into a good area. Good head by Bacon. Pushes one forwards. Hawkins getting manhandled, but manages to skip past Bates. Again, shoulder barge a little bit. It's a physical start from the home side. Price has to go back to Fuller again. First time, points a bobble, puts it forward. Ricky Watts, right wing back tonight. With Bacon just to the side of him. Plays it forward. Well done. Dylan Reese McCarthy link up. Hits the referee. Off a Kyle Kenneford pass. It's going to be a drop ball. Surely, yeah, going to Haverfordwest. So Captain Dylan Reese going to get us back underway. Good evening, Jane Richards. We've got Gary Richards in front of us here in the dugout this evening. Right in front of me here, issuing instructions to the team. Good head, Greg Walters. Snaith through Greg Walters. But that'll be a good tester. Greg, it's Tom Walters it is, who gingerly gets back onto his feet. Very certainly going direct here, but Dylan Reese and Ricky Watts link. Greg Walters again and Price clash in the middle. Arman comes across to collect. Plays it back to Corey Shepherd. His first touch this evening. He's got options in front, but turns back to Ricky Watts down the line. First touch is heavy from Bates, but does well. Good first touch, Greg Walters. Ooh, almost finds Shepherd, his midfield partner, but Jenkins punches it all the way forward through to an all-in yellow. Ivan not. Indeed. Your husband still issuing the commands here, Jane. In the dugout here at the Renewable Centre Stadium. A number of Haverfordwest supporters on the drum. Couldn't be much closer to us. Good kick by Ivan. Finds Arman, heads it down, but Ferry again win the third ball. Abu picks it up though. Good pinch from him. Looks to get round the back of Bates. Flag up. Going to be a throw in. Just skipped it over the touchline on the far side there. Home sides offering Abu a chorus of appreciation, should we say? Throw in on the far side. Louis Bates gets us back in play. Into the middle. A little bit of potato style, but Hawkins wins his header, but the second ball again won by Ferry. Clip forward. Dylan Reese heads forwards to Shepherd, to Walters. Back to Kyle Kenneford. Gets his ball under control. Skips past 2-3. Oh, last ditch there. Gets a toe to it. Ferry played away. 22 there. Michael Bates, I'm assuming brother of Louis Bates, I believe. Wins his team a free kick on the halfway line. Armand deemed to have fouled him. Captain Alex Gammond, once a Haverfordwest County player many years ago. He heads up the other side. Got Kieran Williams back alongside him tonight. This is Jack Fannin from Swansea City. He's here on loan. going to be Louis Bates, I think, on the far side on this slopey pitch here at Briton Ferry. Low one, all the way through. It's a chance Arman competed with Fannin. Good area, does well. Bacon, the Shepherd, out. Kenneford pinches it, breaks for Ricky Watts. Clips one over the back for Dan Hawkins to chase. Tom Price, last man, is just going to be a little bit too quick off the surface and out for a throw in over on the far side. Good little bit of a counter attack there from the Bluebirds. Set piece came into Bluebirds territory, dealt with well. Good interlinking play, almost a chance for Dan Hawkins around the back there. Gates again throws down the line, headed back into touch by Abu. Greg Walters, handball shouts, not given. Greg again comes back for it. Tom Walters plays it across. Ricky Watts facing up against Bates. Round the back, Tom Price fouls, surely, yeah. Fouls Ricky Watts inside our own box. Chance for us to clear our lines. I am having technical difficulties with our live stream of the animation this evening. So apologies that we haven't yet got our graphic on screen showing you where exactly the ball is. We have been trying for the last half hour to try and get that to work. It's still not happening. I'll continue persisting with that one as Ivan Knott gets us underway. Back in play towards Arman. Competes with Williams. Arman wins. Cleared by Bates. Dylan Rees. It has to go head home. Back to Ivan Knott. We'll try again. Ivan, ball at his feet. Good kick towards. Nearly bounces over everybody. But Dylan comes to collect as well. Clips it over. Hawkins is looking lively up top. Gonna deemed offside. Interesting. Fuller well out of his goal here then. Still trying to get sights with the 2D animation available. Not quite working for us, unfortunately. No, not happening. Perhaps we'll try again at half time. Back to the football. Hawkins, good spin. He's got three around him. Plays back to Watts. He's been lively so far. Kenneford, heavy first touch, takes it away from him, but Greg comes in and tries to win it back. Ricochets to Gammond at centre half, goes back to keeper. Chance for Fuller to take a breather, get his team back in shape, punts it forward. It's going to be over. Walters heads cleared to Abruzzese on the far left hand side. Ricochets McCarthy, his clearance straight out for a goal kick. Again, a chance for Knott to get the Bluebirds organised. Well over 100 of you across YouTube, Facebook and X this evening joining us for this live broadcast. Please feel free to get involved in the chat. There's a number of us here in the stands. Shouted away. Fourth official, Bryn Markham Jones, supporting the referee currently with his communication system that seems to happen all the time. the comms pack with officials, it's strapped to their bicep, doesn't seem to be working. Obviously a key part of communication is needed from all four officials here. Here is the Bluebirds drum. Right behind the bench, I think half the bench had a bit of a fright there when that went off. Hopefully the microphone is reducing that sound somewhat and it's not as loud as it is right here. I think it's fourth official Bryn Markham Jones having to take his own comms set off now to switch it with the referees. The Cymru League, sir. A delay in play here. Markham Jones having to strip off to take his comms. machine, instrument, apparatus from his own wiring up his shirt, and it's now given to Ryan Kenny, who can get us back underway. So I'm assuming now fourth official Markham Jones isn't on the comms. Keep an eye on that one. Hopefully doesn't interfere in any decision making this evening. Ivan, great knock. Greg Walters wins the first header, but Bates hooks one clear off the second. Shepherd gets it under control in the centre circle. Plays it backwards to McCarthy. Opportunity to go back to Knott. Dummy's the first touch clearance. Takes a touch. Good angle towards Abu on the far left-hand side, but good head Shepherd. Arman flicks it out to Abu. Good first touch. Skips past. Foul. Yeah, foul given. I think the referee might be going to the pocket here. He's certainly going over to have a word with, I think it's Lewis Bates, the number 2. Doesn't look to be giving him a card. Just the free kick. In between the edge of the penalty box and the halfway line. Below almost the Scorio gantry. In front of a number of youthful Ferry fans. Vocal as they are on the far side. The ball has just reappeared onto the pitch from somewhere. So Corey Shepherd arrows one in towards the back post, all the way through. Almost Greg Walters' toes, take it past Fuller, but directly into the keeper's grasp. Walters unlucky there. Very quick to get us back underway. Good head, Kyle McCarthy. Only as far down as Tom Walters. Dylan Reese does well. Good skill, to be fair. Ricky Leowen gets away with it. Nudges it right to Lewis Bates, who I believe potentially should be on a yellow, but he's crossed straight into Ivan Knott's hands. Contested there. Come on, you Bluebirds, indeed. Would love for the referees to tune into my commentary. As the chat very spell of possession here in the bottom left-hand corner. Good evening, Jack Wilson. I won't repeat that one over the airwaves. Great. Oh, Abu almost catches one on the first touch and drives forward. But again, as I said, it's a very wet surface on one of the very few grass pitches left in the Cymru Premier. It's an almighty slope here at Ferry as well. A lot to deal with, but same for both teams. It's been rolled, I'm assured, earlier on, but still quite bobbly. Owen puts one right down Ivan Knott's throat. Does well again, Ivan. Enjoying a second consecutive start. Ivan Knott in yellow, that seems to be getting muddier by the minute. Throw in Haverfordwest County over on the far side. The ball is spending a lot of time over there, right in front of those supporters of the home side. Abu weighing up his options to get us back in play. Throws good touch, Kyle Kenneford. Charged down, but all the way back to Dylan Reese. A moment of chance to clear. Again, it bobbles up. It's a tricky one. Bacon does well. Clips it out. Great knock by Jacob Bacon to Shepherd with a chance on the side. Puts it in. Defended well. Greg Walters competes with Price in the middle. As Ricky Owen, who manages to come away with it. Out to Bates. Back out to, I believe, his brother, Lewis Bates. Are they brothers, Tom? Bates brothers? I think they're brothers, yeah. Oh, almost goes through. Chance now then. Kenneford. Good tackle. Gammon sliding in. Puts one through. Bacon, one on one at the back. Does well to get hold of that one. No messing. He's going to find Arman, who's offside, but he misses it. Very clear. It is flying around the pitch at the minute. Maka doesn't hang about. Great control. Ben Arman off the chest. Puts one over the far side for Hawkins to try and bring down. He's outnumbered, but doing his best. Kean Jenkins has to go backwards. Good carry. Oh, referee can't wait to go in the pocket here. Shepherd is going to be the first man in the book this evening. Don't know what's too different with the original tackle that we won a free kick on to that one. Very similar challenges. Yeah. The Bluebird supporters asking for a little bit of consistency. I think the noise from the Bluebird supporters coming from above the technical area, should we say, is going to give a question whether it's Bluebird staff issuing the, insults. Great knock forward. Dan Hawkins. Oh, half a chance. Can Dan Hawkins get on the end of it? Good defending. Good defending, to be fair. Come away with it. Kian Jenkins puts one down the line. Jacob is going to see it out. Bluebirds throw on the half. Bobbling everywhere. Dan Hawkins battling well with Fanning. Ricky Watts on the halfway line. He's got Armand to aim at. He's got Hawkins to aim at. Goes for Hawkins. Chests and heads, but straight into a Ferry defender. I didn't quite see who that one was. McCarthy left-footed. Clears it though. Headed forward. It's a little bit like ping pong at the minute. Both teams trying to get it under control. Fanning through the back of Armand. Nothing whatsoever. Uproar from the home side. It's a frustrating one. Armand from behind. Assistant had the best view out of everybody. Waves it away. That's as clear a foul, I think, as I've seen. Incredible. Cleared. Watts underneath it. Does well again on the second ball. Bacon fouled, nothing given. Walters inside the box does well. Chance to get his head up and play it down the line. Got to be bigger. Yeah, Armand still having a chat with the assistant here, saying, how is that not a free kick? Jack Fanning through the back of Armand. Officials with play on. Armand again taken a little bit late, but he gets the headed flick on. Could easily have been trying my best not to bust the officials here, but that is proving difficult already here. Jenkins puts it into an area. Great shout. Ivan Knott comes to collect. Good goalkeeping. Ball in hand. Opting with the opportunity to put it to the ground, but Tom Walters, 15 yards in front, just puts him off enough to punt forward underneath Jack Fanning. Heads clear and opposed. Shepherd's underneath it in the centre circle. Walters gets a touch. Back to Dylan Rees. Slightly slices his clearance. Touch by Jenkins. Back to Bacon. Forward. Hawkins can sneak. Ooh, almost gets it. Only find Shepherd. He had a chance to bring it down. Kyle Kenneford. I'm not going into the card, but I'm surprised. Gives away a free kick. That one probably deserved the yellow more than Corey's one. He did go sort of for the ball. Fans in discussion, debate about it. Fuller well out of goal here then. Inside his centre circle. Chance to put one on a Bluebird head, hopefully. On the edge of the box it goes. It's towards Walters. Good head. Kyle McCarthy nudges it down for Abu to clear. Across the ground. Controlled well by Bates on the far side. Plays it back to Tom Price. The last man back for Ferry. Nudges it across to Kieran Williams. Williams, the left foot there. Arrows one towards the penalty box. It's going to go all the way through. Comfortable in the end. Goal kick. "19 minutes gone, yeah. Again, the rain has passed. The pitch is extremely wet conditions here. The ball is bobbly, but it wasn't. I'm sure that the Scorio highlights won't show how intense the rain was a lot earlier on, an hour or so before kickoff. the warm-up kits were certainly changed, should we say, when they went back in the change room because they were drenched, the players, both sets of teams going in, soaking wet. Thankfully, it stopped to give us a bit of a spectacle. Bacon, hand in the back there, could have conceded a free kick, but not given. McCarthy punches one forward. Fortunately, going out for a throw-in on the far side. Rob Thomas, goalkeeper coach, and Gary Richards, and deep in conversation in front of us here in the technical area. Both in agreement that the defensive clearances need to really turn the Ferry back line, I think. Throw in from Ferry. Abu underneath it. Ferry get it back. Switch play out as far as Kian Jenkins on this near side. Scored a goal for the home side. The last time we played here in it was phase 1, I think it was, last year when we won 2-1 on the night. Goals from Owen Jones and Lee Jenkins that night. And of course, how can we forget Alaric Jones' 93rd winner here in August. Ricky Watts down the line. Arman wins his header again, but only as far as Kieran Williams, who heads home to his keeper. Passes out to Gammon on the half turn. Good tackle. Oh. Kyle Kenneford almost pinches it off the centre half there, and it would have been 2v1 in Haverfordwest's favour. Ferry play forward. Walters almost gets it. Ricky Watts chance. Great clearance, Ricky Watts. That's exactly where we want to get him turned. Fanning's facing his own goal. Has to go back. Ben Arman. Oh, almost gets a toe before the keeper. Kyle bites just before. Oh, he's taken late. Let's have a look at this. Where's he going? What's he going to do? Yellow card. Ooh. It's a late one on Abu. Just outside the centre circle. Abu got the ball clearly first. Taken in the air. Seen them given. Official Ryan Kenny calls on Henry Fensom for a bit of treatment for Abu, who stays down on the ground. Yeah, believe it or not, Jane, we've got a Gammon and a Bacon on the pitch tonight. There's got to be a photo opportunity somehow tonight. Calling on photographers around the ground. If you're tuning in, I need a photo. I need Alex Gammon and Jacob Bacon stood next to each other. Henry still treating Abu, seems to be okay. Ryan Kenny gave the yellow. It's a yellow for Mitchell Bates. I think he can count himself a little bit lucky there. Can we get a message to Lewis for a photo of Gammon and Bacon, please?
Quite unlikely.
Yeah, perhaps for an opportunity like this. I'm trying to see. Oh, it's Tom Walter. Oh, they're close to each other. The Haverfordwest 6 and the light Ferry 4. Round the back, Dylan Reese. Oh, almost. It's going to stay in. It's headed clear by Ferry, but only as far as Arman, who dinks one into an area, cleared by Snaith. Out as far as Kyle Kenneford. Good first touch. Skips past 2. Chance. Oh, it was on target. Got a good view of it from behind. Deflected out. Fanning's head takes it out for a corner. First corner of the evening. Hawkins is heading across to this one. Hawkins, the right footer, heading across. I think giving Abu, who's just come back onto the pitch after treatment. So it's going to be an outswinging corner from the right-hand side. There's a big pillar. Sort of slightly harming my view here, but you can see it. It's a low one, flicked into an area. Watts has to go back to Hawkins. First time, not the best of first time crosses. Unfortunately, finds the roof of the net. Positive, building a bit of momentum here, hopefully. So it's Fuller with the ball in his hand. 24 minutes gone here at the Renewables Centre Stadium in Briton Ferry, formerly known as Old Road. On a chilly night, Fuller again opts for the skies. High into the night sky. McCarthy almost gets the head of the bounce, but it's going to go out. Abu's shirt is nearly pulled off him, but wins the throw. Good evening, Pamela. And welcome to you. Henry has just been on the pitch, you'd be glad to know. And got Abu back in full working order. Bates over on the far side has got two hands on arm and shoulders and is about 8 foot up in the air in that ball. Concedes a free kick. I think Ivan out the goal, coming across to take this one. About 15 to 20 yards away from the halfway line, right over on the far side. Ivan again with a chance to get it forward. 4 on the last man for the Bluebirds. Opportunity, good area. It's going to go around the back. Can Arman get there? Gets his fringe onto it. But Walters is going to keep it in. Ricky Watts behind him. Old time Bluebirds boys linking up. Watts first time delivery into a good area. Oh, Arman is pulled. Appeals to the referee, not given. Abu first time cross. Oh, Dan Hawkins nearly gets his head to it. Arman comes across, gets it back to Abrasizi on the far side of the pitch. Can he get a right-footed cross in? Only as far as Price, but Greg Walters pinches it back, skips inside 2, going very centrally. He's got options to his right, does find Ricky Watts yet again. Chance to get his head up. Switches to Abu. Can he get there? Straight out for a throw-in. Wattsy acknowledges, probably wasn't the best option there. Good play though. Good little spell, a couple of minutes here. Yeah, Jack, I'm missing the graphics myself. The site they use for the 2D animations not working at the moment. I'm going to try again at the break. I'll try again now. Yeah, it's I don't understand why it's not working. I will keep trying. I'll try and update you as to where things are. Shepherd surely gets the advantage on his side there. Kyle Kenneford has to help him. Shepherd, Kenneford. Back to Watts, man up. Oh, he's going to get fouled from behind. Ricky couldn't quite get it under control and pinched by Tom Price from behind. Played inside the centre circle. Ricky Owen out to Tom Walters on the left-hand side. Great tackle, Greg Walters. Concedes the corner. Wattsy just couldn't quite get his touch on that one. Possession stolen from him. I think it's, again, set piece. The tall old side, Ferry. Number of defenders gone forward for this one. I can't see. There's a number of people blocking the field. Can't see who's taking it. I think it's a right foot in swing, and it's going to be Ivan Knott on his toes, looking lively. Number of movement inside the box. It's a deep one. Cleared well by Kyle McCarthy, I think. Tom Price allows it to go over the halfway line back, but Bates receives it. Hammond's underneath it. Free kick given against Greg Walters off the ball there.
What is he doing?
Don't know what that's for. Arman won the header on the edge of the box, but Greg Walters penalised. Free kick here then. There's been a number of set piece goals from the Ferry in recent weeks. I feel Kean Jenkins, Gammond, and Tom Walters in particular be eyeing this one up. Come on, the Bluebirds indeed, surely. I think it lends itself to a right foot there. Walters, the left footer on it as well. Kieran Williams, a left footer on it. Gammon is eyeing this up, the right foot in centre half. Strikes straight through, good take. Ivan, to be fair, I think it took a slight deflection off the wall and ended up going straight towards Ivan Knott, who had a good setup there. Drop kicks it. Going back all the way through for Ivan to punt clear this time. His drop kick didn't quite go to plan. Little bit of a ricochet. Rob Thomas quick to issue the instructions to his keeper not to do that again. All up in the air. Shepherd, good battle against Price in the middle. Referee waves play on. Good collision. McCarthy and Walters collide on the halfway line there. Big appeals from the home side, but a bit of a 50-50 there. Ivan, again, I don't think he'd be opting for the drop kick next time, but off the ground this time. Puts one down towards Hawkins in the far side. Headed clear by Bates. Abruzzese. Lewis Bates up on the far side goes down early. Goes down quite light. Throw in. Comical bit of banter from the Bluebird supporters here towards the assistant referee. Throw in again for the Ferry on the far side. Building up ground over on the far side as they come up the pitch. They've won 3 throw-ins here. False throw potentially, but foul throw I should say. Back. Kieran Williams clips one in. Walters over his head. Good head, Jacob Bacon. Gary Richards, issues are well done to him. Oh, Dan Hawkins almost got a toe to that one to take it away from Williams, the last man. Abruzzese competing on the right side with Lewis Bates. Good, Abu. Here's it towards the halfway line.
Thank you.
Goodbye. Bates again with a throw in then. Not far from halfway line, over on the far side in the Bluebirds half. Bates finds midfielder Tom Price, comes away with it, out. Ops for Watts inside. He's going to get his pocket picked again there. Good save. Tom Walters hit the first time. Good save by Ivan Knott. Again, they put in Ricky Watts under a lot of pressure every time he gets the ball here. On as a right wing back tonight, Watsy. Much better kick from Ivan this time into the night sky, all the way through. Fannin gets his head to it. Straight down Abu's neck. He skips inside 1, skips inside 2. Outside, great ball by Abu. Out this side to Ricky Watts. He's got Shepherd outside him. Plays it to Shepherd. Chance to cross. Deflected. It's going to go for a corner, I think. Shepherd's it. He's got a chance to put it back to Watts, who first time puts it straight towards the keeper, Will Fuller. Not quite falling for Watsy there again, but doing all right. Bacon gets a first touch on his clearance. Slices it. It's out for a throw-in. Again, Lewis Bates can have the ball in his hand here. Still 0-0 here. 32 minutes played. 13 of normal to go. Still 0-0. Couple of for both sides, really. Nothing major. Couple of dubious decisions. Bates finally gets us back underway. Head clear by Ahmed. McCarthy does well. Concedes the corner. I think, yeah, it's Liam Jenkins, the left footer, heading over for this one. I noticed earlier that's the tunnel entrance corner. It was extremely boggy, and there's not much space for a set piece to be taken at the best of times, but certainly not tonight. Very boggy, but the left footer puts a good area, headed clear by Corey Shepherd. As far as Dan Hawkins, whose first effort, free kick to Haverfordwest inside the box, finally going our way there. Right on the penalty spot. I think it was McCarthy who was fouled. Sheppy's header, to be fair, got great distance up towards Hawkins, not far from the centre circle. His first touch was then followed up by a tackle. I think it was Tom Price who won it. Put it back into the box. Foul on McCarthy. 34 gone. Ivan Knott on the penalty spot. Inside his own box. Right-footed. Good area, good distance. It's punched forward. Greg Walters has got good tackle, Greg Walters. Ricky Watts skips forward. Got a chance to shoot it. Oh, goes well. Out to Shepherd. Into a good area. Defended well. And out for a corner. Everybody had shuffled to the left-hand side of the pitch. There's a Ferry player down. Medical treatment. Not being called for, but he It's in a bit of discomfort. Yeah, everybody shuffled to the left-hand side of the pitch, and Greg Walters made a late run to the right. Even knew what was coming, I think, there. It almost skipped all the way through for Greg to be one-on-one. And it was well, back to Ricky Watts, who laid it on for Shepherd to put it into a good area, but defended well. Out for a corner then. Abu, I think, on it. Left-footed into a good area. Over Fuller's head. Oh, half a chance there, but goes back as far as Abu. Left-footed. Puts it in again. Not quite the distance he would have wanted. Headed clear. Another corner. That was a fantastic corner by Abu. Won well by Garmond up against, I think it was Arman. Fuller stayed on his line. It's only a couple of yards off the line. It's right under the crossbar. Downhill slope here at Old Road. Again, Abu on the ball to my right-hand side. Crosses. Again, similar area. Can we get a touch? Won by a Ferry defender yet again on the edge of the box. Only as far as Jacob Bacon. Clips one on the back. Can Arman get there? It's going to go for a goal kick. Unlucky. Good little idea there. Jacob Bacon, our new number 6, just clipping one over a number of bodies on the edge of the box. Goes through, unfortunately, for a goal kick. Not quite falling onto Arman's left foot. 36 gone. A Fuller goal kick to come. Only other game in the Cymru Premier this evening sees Connors Key at home to Caernarfon. Still 0-0 up there. 33 minutes gone at the ST Stadium in Flintshire. As Fuller doesn't get the best contact on it. Stays pretty low, but does end up with a deflection. And it's a bluebird throw on the halfway line. Kyle Kenneford, good defending there from the front. Not Fuller's best kick of the evening, that one. Over on the far side then, got Risa Brucesi. Up the line he goes. Decent area. Arman underneath it. Flicked inside. Hawkins, half a chance. Kyle Kenneford pinches it. Sideways. Shepherd, 35 yards out. Drills one. Lucky. Over the bar. Shot was definitely on. Had to test the keeper, but just was climbing. Had to be a quick fire attempt. It's a good sight there for Sheppy, who scored probably more goals this season than he ever has for the club. In all the years he's played for Haverfordwest, can't remember him being as often on the score sheet. Great to see. Long may it continue. 37 played. Fuller, better kick from him. Clears the halfway line, up in the air. McCarthy and Walters compete for it. Then Greg Walters competes for it. Back to Price. Heads it into an area. Snaith and Bacon compete. Good tackle, Dylan Rees. Good tackle, Greg Walters. Shepherd spins on it. Clicks on over. Great ball towards Hawkins. Over on the far side. That's the angle we needed. Numbers getting forward. Shepherd's made a great run. Can we cut it back? Good defending, to be fair, by Kieran Williams. Ferry can't wait to get it clear. Bacon, good headed forward. It's bouncing just too far for Greg Walters to get his head in it. Ricky Watts has got time. Tom Walters is chasing him down, but again, it doesn't quite have the distance to beat Kean Jenkins and get it in behind. So Ricky Owen comes forward with it. Williams, chance, right-footed, clips one into an area. Over the first head, good tackle, Dylan Rees. It's going to go out for the corner, I think. Unless McCarthy. Yeah, it's a corner. Good evening, Marcus Greenish. Don't worry about relegation, Marcus. We are playing well. It's a good, lively contest here. 38 minutes gone. Still 0-0. Thankfully, the rain has disappeared. And it ended up being, as I said, a lively end-to-end game. Number of chances. Nothing major. A couple of decisions from the officials, but it's going to be footed. Kean Jenkins from the far side, from the tunnel area. Into a good area, to be fair. Underneath, good double punch by Ivan Knott. Back into it. First time Ricky Owen deflected. Abu comes away with it. Greg Walters, left-footed, punts it into the sky. And out for a throw-in. Over on the far side. Don't want to jinx it, but it's been a pretty solid defensive unit tonight from the front, defending from the front. Tails are up for the Bluebirds. Confidence certainly high after getting a win at Cardiff Met 2 weeks ago. Bodie Shepherd wins the ball back. It's bouncing all over the place. Armand with pace is coming forward. Ooh, nearly steals it off Kieran Williams. And a huge slice from Will Fuller brings up a cheer from the travelling Bluebirds. He's put it into Mrs. Davis's back garden over on the far side there. Surely a agreed window goal then. Ball right on the edge of the penalty box. Reece Abruzzese on a lot of abuse from a couple of, well, I say a couple, there must be 25, 30 Ferry fans, youngsters. Commentators curse Jack. Abu puts one right under the crossbar. Oh, Jack Fannin nearly puts it into his own goal there. Ferry lashing at it, coming away. Walters, Snaith, holding hands there. Snaith doing his best to keep Jacob Bacon grounded and not able to jump up and head it, but Watts can have the throw in right under the crossbar. Fannin headed clear. Fuller, I thought could have come and caught that, to be honest, but very desperate to get it clear. Header flies through to Garmond. McCarthy, Walters, Abu competing for it over on the far side. Tom Walters does get it. Back to Lewis Bates. Head up, clips one into the area. Just over Ricky Watts' head. Out to Snaith on this near side. Back, Tom Price. Good control on his right foot. Onto his left, onto his right. Skips inside Kenneford towards a headed clear. Good defensive work there, Bacon. Just beats. Oh, Hawkins. Oh, he nearly takes it off his toes there. McCarthy again. Can Armand get on the end of that one? Good header. Kieran Williams. Good tackle. Kyle Kenneford. Building up. A good end of the first half here. Slice clearance by Garmond. Out for a throw in to the Bluebirds. Still 0-0. 41 gone. Still laughing at your comment, Jack Wilson. Thanks for that. Hopefully not, eh? Abu, ball in hand on a very wet grass surface here. Throws it forward. Armand inside to Kenneford. Can Shepherd get on the end of it? He's miles out. He plays in Hawkins. One-on-one with Fannin. Shoots left-footed. Probably wanted it on his right. Had to take it on the left. Straight at the keeper. Calmly, to be fair, collected at his feet. That's on his right foot. I think that's a much better effort from Hawkins there. I think Sheps probably had one half a glance at how far the keeper was off his line there. Fuller goes long, straight to McCarthy. Former teammates there at Cardiff Met those 2 years gone by. Fuller, his clearance to McCarthy. But Bluebirds on the attack. Kyle Kenneford coming forward with it. Outnumbered, skips past 2. Third man gets the ball off him. Fannin comes away with it on his left foot. Plays it down the line. Bacon's going to come across and help out Ricky Watts. Referee gives a free kick. Ricky Owen shielded the ball well, and Bacon, I think his momentum more than anything, just came through the back of him. It's a free kick. As I said, Connors Key, Carnarvon up in North Wales, still 0-0. Kian Jenkins is left foot again. Noise from home and away fans increasing. I'm sure you can hear it coming through as Kian Jenkins puts it towards Ivan Knott. Superb tip. Huge round of applause from the travelling supporters to Ivan, who confidently comes to collect it. Ivan takes it to the skies. Looks a good kick towards the back line, headed clear by Garmond. Down to the feet of Kyle Kenneford, who finds Shepherd. He's got numbers outside him. Plays a forward pass. Read well by Fannin, but Hawkins steals it off him right by the corner flag. Back to Watts. Got options inside him. Shepherd, handball appeals, not given. Only one hand, ref. Watts has to go back to his keeper all the way back, but bobbling. Great connection on it. Ivan punts clear. Good little half a nudge by Sheppy to try and take Fannin's eye off the ball. Experience coming in there. Right in front of the assistant referee, but Fannin does well. The youngster to head it back to his keeper himself, who punts it clear. Dylan Rees potentially taken late there, but Tom Walters' lash at it goes straight to Ivan Knott. Again, comfortable inside his penalty box this evening. Ivan, great looking kick, but just sneaks out for a throw in over on the far side. 45 minutes up, waiting for Bryn Markham Jones to raise a number, which I'm going to guess had 3. Hasn't really, other than Abu having treatment and the officials themselves having to have a break in play. Yeah, it is 3. 3 to go then. Can we steal something before the break? Kyle Caniford, a great little nudge forward. Not quite falling for Shepherd. Snaith's toe nudges it forward. Bacon just clips one forward into an area. Not a bad decision. Shepherd flicks Hawkins. Oh, his overhead kick almost falls for Armand's advancing run. But Ferry again, no messing. Hook it clear. Abu's competing with Williams. Down, good touch, Kyle Caniford. Oh, Hawkins is going to get there. Shepherd needs to find himself some space. Hawkins coming down the right side. Foul. No, nothing. Okay. Hawkins, chance to turn. Inside the Shepherd. Man on, Sheppy. Plays it forward. Arman clips it inside. Not quite. Oh, it's ricocheting all over the place here. Good press. Forces an error from Ferry. Throw in front of the technical area to come. 45 plus 1. 2 to go. Has the drummer gone to get me a Madri? I can only wish. If anyone listening is in the ground, I'd love a Madri. Maybe something a bit warmer as well. Getting in to feel the cold here in Briton Ferry this evening. Ricky Watts with a throw in between myself and the goal. In front of me, right by the technical area. Watts inside to Armand. Good first touch. Clips one over. Garmond heads it clear. Punch clear yet again by a Ferry backline. McCarthy, great knock. Can Shepherd get on the end of it? No, it's going to be too long. Out for a throw in. Right in the far right hand side corner here. On the top of the sloping Renewable Centre Stadium, formerly known as Old Road. Go again. Kian Jenkins down the line. Snaith manhandles Ricky Watts, but nothing given. Oh, ricocheting all over the place. Abu just heads it clear there. Snaith comes away with it. Good. Kyle Canford on the second ball. Shepherd, good turn from him. Skips inside. Tom Price turns in for a Madri. Abu crosses the halfway line. Just attacks one. Can Walters get on the end of that? Oh, flick it across. Arman. Hawkins on the edge of the box, back to goal, comes across. He's got Watts with him. Walters gets his head up. Oh, he's tackled. Probably the wrong choice here. Bacon has to try and get there. It's going to go off for a throw in. Thankfully, referee glances at his watch. I think Greg Walters had so much time there. He was indecisive and it backfired. Probably needed to go sideways or test the keeper. He's a little bit far out, but Ricky Watts again throws it on the line. Flick by Arman. Ooh, it's cleared. Ferry cleared it down the line. Snape heads it on. Tom Walters is underneath it. There is the halftime break. 0-0 here then in Briton Ferry. As I'm sure the players will head in for a bit of a warm and a debrief. Positive stuff. Big 45 plus to come. We'll have a break now and you can join us back for live audio coverage on the Bluebirds Net Live in just under 15 minutes. We'll see you shortly. Over and out for now. Noswaith dda. Croeso nôl. Good evening. Welcome back to the Renewable Centre Stadium, where it is currently Haverfordwest County 0, Briton Ferry, I should have said them first really, 0-0. We have a graphic you'll be glad to see on screen. We've had 15 minutes technical troubleshooting, and we finally come to a solution. My Wi-Fi seemed to be playing up a touch, but we are now on Tom Pritchard's hotspot. Thank you, Tom. We are able to broadcast our 2D animations when we are back up and running here for the second half. An edgy first half is following up with, I don't believe any changes for Haverfordwest County, but there is a change for the home side. I think it's Anderson, the striker who opened the scoring at the Orbis Meadow 3 weeks ago, who's coming on. I believe it's Snaith who has made way. So, changes for the home side. We've got players making their way across the pitch. Yeah, it is Snaith who makes way for Ollie Anderson to come on. So the Bluebirds stay as they are. Ivan Knott in goal, Captain Dylan Rees, Rhys Abruzzese, Jacob Bacon, Ricky Watts, Corey Shepherd, Dan Hawkins, Kyle McCarthy, Greg Walters, Kyle Kenneford and Ben Harmon. Bench this evening, Luke Rees, Alaric Jones, Panache Makwadamiti, Owain Jones, Will Hughes, Rory Humphreys, Harry Thomas. And Ferry, just the one changing after the break. They start out this evening. Will Fuller, Lewis Bates, Ian Jenkins, Alex Gammond, Kieran Williams, Tom Price, Tom Walters, Ricky Lee Owen, Mitchell Bates on a yellow card, Jack Fannin and Ollie Anderson, the fresh leg, coming on. Bluebirds playing right to left, in my perspective, in the second half. As I always say, the Scorio cameras will give them playing left to right. They are on the far side, up high in the gantry. The rain has continued to stay away, thankfully. Referee Ryan Kenny just about to get us back underway. Greg Walters, arrows one straight out towards the corner flag, straight off the centre spot, throw in to the home side then. And as I said, thankfully, we have an animation to support with the audio commentary in the second half to give you a clear indication of where the ball's at. Somebody in the ground doing this at all our fixtures this season, thankfully. Not affiliated with either club, but independent. Bit of ricocheting between defence to defence here. Dylan Rees does well. Cody Shepherd nearly pinched it, but Abu does. Skips inside Lewis Bates. Clips one on the back. No one really there. Bit too high for Hawkins. Gonna skip out. Oh, Kean Jenkins has kept it in. Opted not to see it out for a goal kick. Plays one down. Ricky Watts. Oh, Tom Walters through the back of him. No attempt at the ball. I've had the comfort of a hot water bottle during the halftime break, but I believe now I've got to hand it back now that everyone's coming back to their seats. Ivan Knott making his way out of the penalty area for a free kick, pretty much in front of me, directly where the spot is on the screen. Taking his time to get the right bit of grass / mud on the very wet pitch here. Heavy downpours before kick-off this evening. Here we go again. Good knock. Ivan right onto the edge of the box, all the way up. Ricky Watts underneath it, nudges it forward. Back to Kenneford, out to Walters on the right-hand side. He's on his left foot. Inside to Abru, right-footed. Not like him, to be fair. Opted for a first-time clip with his right-footed. Completely mistimed that one. It up for a throw-in. Very good charge down by Hawkins. They're playing out from the back. They can see the throw-in. Good pressure, Dan Hawkins. Take your time. Kyle Kenneford's played it early to Watts. Relax, Kyle. As Gary Richards echoes our thoughts. Take your time. Build up the opportunity. Ricky Watts forward. Arman. Shepherd's offside. A bit rushed and wasted there for the Bluebirds.
Fielders don't take throw-in.
Fuller coming across to take this one then to the left of the penalty area where the spot is on the screen. It's an offside call right on the edge of the penalty area. Temperature seems to have dropped here in Briton Ferry. Looking around the grounds, we had broken for the half-time break, and there was a goal up in North Wales. It was a penalty. Rhys Hughes opens the scoring at the SCG Stadium. Connors Key lead Caernarfon 1-0. Handball given against. He's kicked the ball away. Referee runs away. Ivan coming up to the centre circle here. Dylan Rees plays it early, round the back. Arman plays it very clear. It was a quick one taken by Dylan Rees. We weren't right set for it. Over Jacob does well to clear as it comes back towards us. Inside, Shepherd steals it. Back to goal, has to play back again to Bacon. Left-footed this time, clears towards Arman, but it's going to drop down onto Tom Price's knee. Ricocheting back and forth. Gammond, no messing from him. McCarthy does well on his left foot. Abu, right-footed, clips one across the Kennerford. Can only head it towards Kian Jenkins, a goal scorer a year ago. Well done, Ricky Watts does well. Bacon back to Walters. He goes towards Hawkins down the line. It's come off. Fanning. It's going to be a Bluebirds throw. Again, learn from the last one. A lot more composure now, not rushing things. Looking to get Ricky Watts on the throw in. Jack Wilson, the graphics are back, my friend. How quickly can you get the Briton Ferry to take this throw in, Jack? Watts inwards to Hawkins, back to Watts. He's got options. He's on his bike. Watts out to Hawkins. Oh, it nearly went perfectly. Clips forward. Reese underneath it. Heads to Bacon. It's going to go out for a throw in. Inside our half. The waft of the Caffey's curry coming across. It smells delicious. Ferry ball in hand to get us back under a bit of pressure here. Come on, ref. Finally. Drops down. Walters wins the header. On the edge of the box. Kennerford clears. Back only as ricocheted. Long range effort. Blocked by Walters. Owen drills. Oh, again, good defending. Bacon and Walters line up. Kian Jenkins crosses this time towards Ivan Knott. Calmly collects on the edge of his 6-yard box and takes to the ground just to slow things down a touch. Ivan taking his time, back on his feet. 3, 2, 1, and boom. High, but towards the side of the pitch where there's no real Bluebirds players. Walters does well. Down to ground, but his tackle does well. What's he given there? I thought he was going to give that against us, but Greg made 3 tackles in 3 seconds there. Back up on his feet. And the third one was fouled himself. The referee was quick to blow. I thought the advantage was on there, but Ivan given a chance to come out of his goal, then right on the edge of the centre circle, a chance to direct one forward. Ricky Watts making his way round the back right-hand side. Very central from the Bluebirds. Abu wide left. Holding 3 at the back. The 3 centre halves, Bacon, Reith and McCarthy on the halfway line. Ivan pretty much where the graphic is. Good accuracy there by the 2D animation. Ivan goes very direct, straight down the middle. Walters is underneath it. Chests it down. Kennerford on the edge of the box. Arman. Oh, stolen by Price. Ricky Watts making a shift back. Offside. Got to be offside, Lino. Oh, not given. Ollie Anderson, the substitute, comes forward. McCarthy down. Chance. Shepherd does well. Pinches it. Ivan does well to keep it in. Calamity of errors from both sides there. Anderson had surely come back in from an offside position. Oh, Ivan drops it to the ground. Off the ground. Good knock towards Arman, far side. Headed forward. Hawkins, good first touch from him. Turns back to goal. Options for Ricky Watts. Back to him. He puts one forward. There's nobody really there. Shepherd offside. Arman did well in a wide area. Couldn't quite get back into the central position. We really needed him there. Barry looking for the quick one, but Fuller changes his mind. No photo just yet, Jane. We still seek a gammon and bacon combo. Just waiting for gammon to be marking him, or vice versa. Walters, good edit from him. Well, collects it, clips one forward. Can Hawkins get in and behind? Good running by Kieran Williams. Oh, slices his back pass out for a corner. Out of nothing. Bluebirds supporters offering their thoughts on that back pass. If you could hear that one, apologies for the language. Abu and Hawkins head to the corner flag then. Surely, yeah, Rob Thomas here issuing the instructions. It's got to be a right-footed in swigger from the top end of the slope here, the highest point on the pitch. Real chance to put it right underneath Will Fuller's crossbar. Bacon underneath the crossbar. In it comes, into a good area. Oh, punched. Not the best of punches from Fuller. Arman nearly steals it, but Berry played away. Price with it on the halfway line. Punts it clear. Shepherd and Kenford are chasing. Kept in on the far side. Kenford needs to tackle. This time it's going to be a Ferry corner.
So long.
Going to be a corner to Ferry then at the lowest part of this sloping ground. Uphill cross incoming. There we go. Defenders getting ready. 2 arms in the air. Jenkins crosses, right-footed. Good headed defensive clear by Shepherd. Only as far as Tom Price. 40 yards out. Watts deals with it well. It's 2-on-2. Alan Reese and Hawkins are the front two. It's going to look surely out for a goal kick. It does. Kean Jenkins can't get on the end of Ricky Owens through ball. Tom Price's shot blocked from 4 yards. Goal kick. Ivan trotting back towards the 6-yard box after collecting the ball. Loving those emojis coming in on YouTube. What are our food references on the pitch in front of us tonight? Ivan in his studs there. It's extremely boggy by the looks of things over there, but good connection. High over the halfway line, great distance. Headed clear by Ferry as far as Anderson on the far side. Bacon does well to steer him towards the far touchline. Faces up, chance, crosses right. Oh, good diving header by Dylan Reese. Strike over the bar. Tom Price even got on the bottom of Shepherd's, headed clear. High and wide. Goal kick yet again. Makes such a difference, I think, when the ball is at the right-hand side of Ivan Knott's 6-yard box. It's such a low part of the ground. And the difference to the left-hand side of his box is it's a good couple of feet higher. It's such a slope there. Ivan again. Ivan again, arrows one forward. It's towards Arman. Can he get on it? Does indeed flick on. Oh, just goes far past Hawkins, but back towards Watts. Header vertical, shall we say? Goes upwards. No team can get hold of it yet. As Ferry come forward with it. Kean Jenkins over on the far side. Inside to Price. Bates again. Mitchell Bates, left-footed out to Kean Jenkins. Ferry enjoying a couple of seconds possession here. Fanning at the back. On loan from Swansea City. Plays forward. Walters. Bacon just trying to nibble it off him. Shepherd does well to read that one. Clears. Only as far as the centre half. But he kicks it back to Shepherd. Clips at the ref. No. Seems to have hit Price instead. Fanning plays it forward. Bacon does well to compete with Walters this time. Good by Kyle Kennett and spins. But only as far as Mitchell Bates, who plays it sideways to Gammon, the skipper. Slices his clearance this time. Can Arman get there? Oh. Arman probably not expecting it to come back towards the other centre half. Oh, good interception, Arman. Shepherd, edge of the box. Hawkins on the edge of the box. Can he score? Yes, it's a goal. Bluebirds take the lead. Defensive mistakes. Arman intercepted it for the second time there. Laid it off lovely to Hawkins, who was breaking through the middle. Underneath Fuller, who was advancing towards him. 1-0. Minutes gone. Game on. Bluebirds celebrate together. Hawkins, composed to be fair. Thought he was going to go to the keeper's left, opted for keeper's right. He went underneath the keeper. I think he did get a touch on the ball, to be fair to Fuller in goal. And into the bottom left corner, in front of a number of Ferry fans who weren't happy the fact that the defenders were their own had to blame there. Defensive mistakes. Ferry punched there, sent the kick-off straight into touch over on the far side now then. Ricky Watts right in front of that crowd, home supporters who giving him a kind of a boost there. So Ricky's having a right smile of that. What's he then? Gains a couple of yards. Good experience. Flicks it forward. Arman heads on. Ricky Owen heads. Back to Arman. Back to Price. Shepherd. Left foot. Punches one. He's going to put him under pressure. Fuller's well out of his goal. Good connection. Too good. Straight out into the stand for another throw in. Similar area to the graphic. Well done, boys, indeed. Good evening to the Fawcett family. Ricky Watts, again, opting down the line. Good throw in. Finds Arman to Kenneford. Back to Arman. Good turn. Left footed clips. No one really there. Got to go down the line there. No one central. Shepherd. Oh, almost takes it past Gammon. Ball. He's going to skip through. Take your time, Ivan. Take your time. Ball at his feet. As Walters comes, he picks it up. 1-0. 60 minutes gone. Big 30 minutes here. Again, referee is counting down 4, 3. It is not. Goes towards Shepherd. Nothing given by the... What's he given there? Oh. Fuller straight out of his goal to come and take this one. It's going to be route one from the keeper now, I believe. Ferry sending a number of their players to warm up. Corey Hereford back in the matchday squad today. Rio Dyer, as we know, former Bluebird. Ryan George, lively right wing back. Offside. Ferry played the free kick short to Gammond, put it towards the Bluebirds box. I think it was Anderson who was caught offside there. Ivan, a couple of yards outside his box. Gonna get this one back underway. 29 minutes of normal time to go. How does this one unfold? Ivan not in any rush. Here we go. Good connection on the kick towards Hawkins. Gammon comes and picks that one up out of the air. Left-footed from Abu. It's going to go straight through to Fuller in the goal. Not picking it up. He's not hanging about now. Remember when we were 3-1 and 3-2 down against Ferry at home just a couple of weeks ago. He was the most calm and laid-back person in the whole ground, just taking his time. Oh, it's hit the referee. The body's everywhere inside the centre circle. Walters' clearance hit the referee, so it's surely got to be our ball when play resumes. Assistance being called on. Kenneford seems to be okay, making his way back to his feet, but Walters caught late there after his forward ball. Like to think that this is a bit of experience, as I said, that tonight's home side were doing when they were away to us a couple of weeks ago. All sorts of, should we say, well, time wasting was being played out. Greg Walters still down on a bit of treatment from Henry and Dr. Richard Thompson. Seems a right leg was caught after his Forward pass. I'm sure it hit the referee. The ball is in the referee's hands. I think this again will be a drop ball. Very an advantage to us. Gives us a chance to get an extra couple of bodies forward here. 63 gone. 1-0. Abu.
Oh no, it came off out.
It's hit the referee.
It's drop ball, it came off Ryan. Harry.
Greg is being
It's still on fucking that side, isn't it?
told to come off having received treatment, but I think Greg assumed there had been a yellow card there. I don't actually know who called Greg in the aftermath of that. Could have been Kenneford he collided with, but Greg Walters then off the pitch for a couple of seconds. Abu receives the bounce ball, clips one forward. It's coming through. Oh, miscommunication from the home side. Abu on his left foot plays it back down the line. Nobody's really there. Can Arman get there? Makes a burst. Gammon goes back to his keeper. He doesn't really play it as well. Kenneford's header doesn't quite go as planned. Kian Jenkins on the left-hand side. Passes uphill towards his centre-half, Keane Williams. That miscommunication moments ago. Greg Walters still off the pitch here. Now is allowed back on. Dylan Rees underneath this one. Back in goal, Ivan. Very of a chance. Backwards towards Mitchell Bates. High and wide. And out for a goal kick. Wasteful from him. Half a chance there. Ivan started coming to get the ball from the byline where Tom Walters received it. Laid it backwards to Jenkins. Backwards to Bates. His shot come across out for a goal kick. Moments like this. The referee straight away encouraging Ivan not to hurry up. Certainly wasn't the case 3 weeks ago. Yeah, I mentioned uphill. There's an almighty slope here at Briton Ferry's home ground, the Newell Centre Stadium. To be fair, after winter, incredibly, the pitch is looking okay. Goal kick. Oh, that's so... Tom Walters falls to the ground, receives the free kick. If that's a free kick, Arman's in the first half 100% should have been a free kick. Mitchell Bates then going to put this one towards the Bluebirds back line. Dylan Rees, good header, straight at him on the edge of the box. Shepherd heads clear. Going to come back. Mitchell Bates heads towards Bluebirds line. Dylan Rees underneath it. It's head tennis. Someone tell him to bring it down. A little bit of gap there for Kyle Kenneford. Could have brought that one down. Arman jumps, pinches it. Good play, Ben Arman. Chance to play forward. Right-footed. Puts it, almost for Kieran Williams. Does well. But Arman again has stolen it off the defender. Kenneford comes forward onto his right. Oh, he's pinched off him. Very thick. Only as far as Abrasezu steals it. On the left-hand side, Shepherd. Got Tom Price with him. Greg Walters, Shepherd, link. Walters has clipped one over the top. I think it's going to go all the way out for a goal kick. Gammond shepherds it from Shepherd out for a goal kick. Ball needed to be released there. Double change incoming from the home side. Rio Dyer and a returning Hereford. Number 11 for number 11 for Kian Jenkins over on the far side. Doesn't look the best pleased to be being replaced. And it's Alex Gammon, the skipper, who comes off for Rio Dyer. Very attacking changes. Ferry rolling the dice here, it seems. 2 attackers for 2 defenders. I think Rio will go over on the far... No, Hereford's going to replace Kian Jenkins over on the far left-hand side. Dyer's certainly an attacking change. 3 at the back. It seems for Ferry with a 3-5-2 now from the home side. Good kick by Fuller. Bacon underneath it. Maybe a foul, not given. Dylan punts it clear. Throw in then. Ball over the stand into a back garden of one of the terrace houses over on the far side. Still 1-0 up in Flintshire. 67 minutes gone there. As Ferry take a throw in. Big appeals for a handball off Jacob. Not given. Rightly so as well. It was off his knee, it looked like. But Ferry punch one clear. Greg Walters underneath it. Shepherd comes to tackle Ricky Owen. Chance for him to shoot. Distance out. Wide. Even had that one covered. Gasps from the Bluebird supporters here in the stand. It's edgy. A 1-0 lead away from home. Quite right, Jane. Didn't think of that. Our photo opportunity. Let's hope a photographer has captured that at some point this evening. Gammon gone. Bacon remains. Ivan Not. Good kick. Yet again, clears the halfway line towards Arman. Nearly gets a flick on. Walters underneath the second ball. Up in the air from Tom Price in midfield. Now Walters and Anderson compete. Go on, Greg. Clips one forward. Williams is shaking back towards his own goal. Arman, can he get there? He's inside the box. Oh, good recovery by Williams. Williams nudged it back to Fuller. Not enough. Arman gets a touch. Just about to pull the trigger there from the left-hand side of the 6-yard box. Fuller comes across, as does Williams again. Sliding in. Takes it up for a corner. Hawkins, take your time, Dan. Walking over uphill to the far top left corner of the ground here. "69-minute played, right-footed from the top left-hand side of the ground, in swinging corner. Hawkins goes deep. Underneath it is Tom Price, I think. Shepherd. Oh, Shepherd has left it to Hawkins. Good area. Now cleared again. McCarthy underneath that next one. Clips it in. It's going to go straight through to Fuller. A little bit wasteful there. Fuller rolled it out this time. Price, who seems to be playing even more defensive, almost quarterback-like. His pass goes out for a throw-in. Wasteful from the home side. Throw-in on the halfway line. Excitement to build in here in Briton Ferry. Ricky Watts, again, take your time, Rick. That's a little bit of a taste of very own medicine, I believe. There was a lot of time wasting in the reverse fixture, well, at the end of phase 1 at the Ogbridge Meadow. There's a similar tactics. Good cushioned header from Arman. Back to Shepherd. Finds Hawkins in an advanced position. Back to goal. Clips one in. Can Greg... Oh, Kyle Kenneford competes for it. Oh, against the goalie there. It's first time header. Followed up by a second. Good head. Jacob. Forwards. Greg Walters goes to ground. Puts it through for Arman to chase. Good tackle. Forceful tackle from Fannin. Concedes the throw in. It's a rare occurrence that Kenneford and Fuller, the goalkeeper, collided in the air fairly. Fuller's punch took it clear, but normally you see those given as a free kick. Goalkeepers perhaps overly protected nowadays, but referee allowed that one to play on. Another throw in. Ferry header puts it over the stands yet again. They must lose some balls here. Watts back to Hawkins, back to Watts, put into a good area. Ooh. Kenneford almost at the back post. Fuller collects, throws it out down this right hand side. Rio Dyer up against Abruzzese. Dyer heads down the slope. Shepherd steals it off him quite easily in the end. Plays it through. Arman has got a chance. He's onside. Can he pull the trigger? Cuts it back onto his left foot. Squares it. Hawkins. Oh, it's the crossbar. Oh, what a chance. Composed by Arman. Dummied the shot. Defender slid in. He cut it back onto his left foot. Squared it for Dan Hawkins at the back post to double his goal tally. First time hits the crossbar. I think it's cleared in the end by a Ferry player out for a throw in on the far side. I think there's complaints that the ball is a touch flat, but there doesn't seem to be any replacement balls available, as is the league rules. There should be a number of balls around the pitch, but at 1-0 up, that's only spiked in the home side. Yeah, a flurry of balls appear. Ricky Watson on the far side. Take your time, boys. Inward to Arman. Back to Hawkins. Well played. Composed play. Watts, Hawkins, link up. There's nobody really in the box. Shepherd's underneath it. Hits it. Oh, first time volley on the left foot. Just narrowly wide of the post. Great spell here. Need to put the ball in the back of the net, though. Good evening, Alison. You've joined us at probably the most exciting part of the game so far here. After taking the lead, it's been end-to-end. Ferry have certainly rolled the dice. They got 3 at the back. They're going for it. But it's creating a lot of space for us to attack into. 72.5 minutes gone. Fuller goal kick incoming. He sent his players forward. Arman on his toes, pinching it a couple of times here to get Hawkins and Shepherd chances. Well done. Greg Walters and Dylan Rees link up. Dylan Rees has put one over his head. Hawkins, it hits him on the back. Oh, Ferry living dangerously. They clear it eventually over the head of Abu onto the left foot of McCarthy. Good area. Clips on back towards Arman. Inside. Can Kyle Kenneford steal it? Price has to go back to Fuller. Still 1-0 up in Flintshire in the top 6 clash. Greg Walters hits a floodlight, lands in the terrace housing. Throw in Ferry, 73.5 minutes. Here we go. On Price clips one. He sliced that one surely. Can Ken get a toe to it? He can't. Referee waves play on. Back. Mitchell Bates falls backwards. Oh, come on. Hawkins nearly gets it off Price. He turns again. Kieran Williams plays forward. Bacon holds up Anderson. Well done, Jacob. Don't let him turn. Anderson slots through. Abu does well to hook it clear first time on his right foot. Field. Ref. Just the one hand. Incredible. How is that not given as an handball? Back to Kieran Williams. Left-footed. Diagonally. Good head. Ricky Watts out for a throw-in. Fourth official, Bryn Markham Jones. Obviously, in the first half, for those that missed it, his comms failed. He's not on the microphone. It was right in front of him. I think he's telling Haverfordwest coaches in front of us here that he would have given it if it was on the comms. Frustrating, but one of those things. He's got a microphone and I wonder whether it's working or not, but as of the officials, he had the best view. He was on the halfway line. Good head, Bacon. Oh, Shepherd nearly steals it. Go on, Greg. Kenneford, chance. Good. Skill by Kenneford. Calm. Oh, too calmly, but does well. Free to thrown to the free kick. Fanning penalised. There's going to be a card here for dissent, I think. Afterwards, Fanning not happy. Throws Hawkins to the ground on the halfway line under a nothing really incident. Ferry had possession of the ball. He didn't really need to do that. Shepherd is waiting for it. No need for not to head to the halfway line to take this one. Concentration needed here for the last 25 minutes. The Ferry attacks, I'm sure, will continue to try and get the goal that they need. Shepherd, whistle goes. Here we go. Got options to his right. Number of options to the list. Arman's trying to get a bit of space. And being close to him at the back post. Shepherd does indeed arrow ones forward. Can Greg Walters get on the end of it? Oh, corner. Greg Walters sliding in, got contact on it. It hit Fuller, back to Arman. Back at Fuller and out for a corner. Reds falling out with each other, it seems. Hereford and Dyer, the substitutes, stay forward in wide areas here. Hawkins going across to take the corner. Going to be again right-footed. Fuller flapped at the last one. Didn't quite get enough contact on it for it to go too far. Need to get the first contact. Hawkins goes short to Abruzzese. Skips inside the penalty box. Square across the deck. Back to Abu. Walters. Ooh, only as far as Dylan Rees on the centre circle. He clips one back in. What? Ooh, Ricky Watts need head injury, ref. Ricky Watts head injury. He seems to be okay, but referee stops play. It's going to be a Ferry ball, but collision after the header there. 77 gone. Approaching the final 10 minutes of, as it stands, what would be an excellent result for the Travelling Bluebirds. We've started phase 2 with 2 away days against rivals in the race for top 7, or 7th position, top of the play. 2-0 away a fortnight ago at Met was a great start. Tonight we lead 1-0 away at Ferry. It's going to be a drop ball, I think. Referee Ryan Kenny going to drop a ball here. Ricky Watts having to go off here. Over on the far side. Bluebirds down to 10 then, so I think it's Hawkins has just dropped back into a bit more of a defensive right wing back position while Watts is off the field. Good kick from Fuller off the bounce ball. Tom Walters, that is, who jumps highest. Good. Corey Shepherd just clears his lines. That'll do. Ricky Leo in on the ground. This time, maybe a throw in to Ferry inside their own half. There's a number of balls appeared now behind the goals and the touchlines to speed things up for the home side. Throw in by Fannin. Back to Williams. Plays it sideways to Lewis Bates. Ben Harmon coming across to put him under pressure. How's first touch? Kieran Williams better that time from the home side centre half. Out to Fannin on the left hand side. Inside the Price. He's going back towards his own goal. Living dangerously, the Reds. Ball towards Anderson. McCarthy does well. Ivan Nott comes to collect and goes to ground. McCarthy stays down, getting back up on his feet, hobbling. He's okay. Well done, Ivan Nott. High into the sky towards Hawkins. Probably Arman was the right option. It's going to go all the way back straight towards Ivan's goal. Plenty of time to use his feet. Now picks it up after Anderson pressed the keeper. Almost at the 80-minute mark. 1-0 we lead. Away at Briton Ferry. Greg Walters, can we get the second ball? It bounces down. Good through ball. Hereford's on the end of this one, but Ricky Watts recovers. Back to Ivan Nott. Good first contact towards Hawkins. Oh, unlucky. Ricochets off him. It's going to go through again. Let it go. Oh, nearly miscontrols it over for a corner, but does well. His second touch is good. Able to pick it up. Drops it on the ground. Ivan. Good. Plays it forward. Kenneford. Anderson spins inside. Hawkins going to do defensive duty from the front. Hereford on the far side now. Right-footed. Cuts infield on the halfway line. Clips one across. Good head. Dylan Rees. Back to Abruzzese. McCarthy. Abruzzese. Forwards. Arman. Oh, Arman nearly gets it. Oh, it skips underneath Kyle Kenneford, but Greg Walters puts it up for a throw-in right next to us here. 81 gone. Bates hasn't got too many options to aim at forwards. Forward, McCarthy. Oh, good head. Dylan Rees out for another throw-in. Right here in front of us with the technical area. On the graphic, Bates again gets us back at the way. Tom Walters heads it infield. Loose. Bacon. It's a chance here. Out. Hereford. Oh, it's round the back. Everybody in the ground, I think, thought that went in. It's a goal kick. Massive chance. Massive chance for the home side. I'll echo that. Huge chance for Hereford to equalise at the back post. This is the target. Scotty, your cameras will have a good angle of that. I didn't quite see. It must have gone straight out, but gone for the near post. And he's pulled it shy. Goal kick again. Ivan. Warning shot for the Bluebirds. Go on, Abu, get there. Abu's gone for goal. Way out from the halfway line. Oh, Fuller saves it on his goal line. Wow. Deja vu, a ball away there. Abu from the halfway line. So his keeper, the opposition keeper off his line. Good effort on his left foot. Kenneford heads the wrong direction. Walters clips it forward. Rio Dyer misses his header. McCarthy punches it into the sky. Arman underneath it. Good touch from him. And again, McCarthy. Oh, good feet. Rio Dyer skips inside Walters, but Abu reads that one. Hawkins has got to come across the press. Kieran Williams, he's got his goalie or his right back options. Bates, don't know if I was the right choice there. Back to Fuller this time. Fuller punches one only as far as Bacon. He's going to get there. He's got to deal with it. Does indeed kick it out for a throw in on the far side. Anderson, his fresh legs have changed the dynamic of the front line for Ferry, certainly. 83 minutes. Still 1-0 up at Nomads. They lead the Coffees. Kyle Kenneford does well. Get a first touch on it. Gives away the throw in again. Hawkins. Wow. Ferry have thrown it to Dan Hawkins. He hooks one. Gets us out of our defensive third. Up towards the halfway line. Dyer. It's Tom Price actually. Takes the quick throw in. Back to Fannin on the halfway line. Goes sideways to Kieran Williams. Defensive bodies needed. Under it is McCarthy. Heads clear. Good chest by Shepherd. Down to Kenneford. He's 60, 70 yards out. I don't know what he's tried. He's put one forward, but good touch, Greg Walters. Got to hook it on. Good. Well, free kick. Oh, Greg Walters. Experience here. Owen and Walters laugh at each other. Home fans. Unhappy with that one, but there was connection with him. Walters went down, wins the free kick. Changes imminent from the Bluebirds. Fresh legs about to come in to play here with Owen Jones, number 20. Stripped and ready. Not quite just yet, but substitutions incoming. McCarthy then just shy of the halfway line. In the 85th minute. Punches one towards Shepherd on the edge of the box. He's been pulled all over the place. Chance to turn. Oh, Arman. Oh, I thought he's pulled, but he doesn't appeal. Still in play. Ricky Watts, can he steal it? Good. Good. High press. Bit brave, but towards Anderson, who's thrown. Bit of a dummy. Bacon doesn't buy it, and he goes back. McCarthy this time puts it up. Kieran Williams heads it into the sky. Fannon's going to have to deal this one because Hawkins is on him. Kenneford does well to steal it off him. Hawkins and Kenneford link up on the far side. They've got options. Shepherd breaks through. Oh, Kenneford puts it straight towards Fuller. Collect. 85 gone. Fuller, no missing. Punches one. It's towards the edge of the penalty area. Dylan Rees, great header from him. Under pressure from Anderson. Does well. Greg Walters, left-footed. Punches one himself forward. All the way through it's going to go. Arman not quite able to get hold of that one. Fuller well out of his goal. Booms one forward towards the top left-hand corner. Hereford is going to be too short to get on that one. Bounces over his head. Substitution time. It's Dan Hawkins, our goal scorer on the night, is his way slowly, even slower if you can, Dan. Uphill towards the touchline. Appreciation shown by the travelling supporters and staff for Dan Hawkins. Took his goal well. I'm sure you'll see it on story or highlight. He makes way. Owen Jones on a pitch where he did score last year. Open to scoring on a 2-1 win here last year. Chance for him to keep that going. Bit of a streak. Ricky Watts throws. Arman flicks. Owen Jones does well. Throw in Haverfordwest County. Debatable, but we take it.
Fucking hell.
Their time. Let him waste it because Ferry thought he was there throwing. Have thrown it down the line. Fannon's not. What's going on here? The referee's giving it to Ferry. Wow. Linesman and referee firstly give it to Haverfordwest. Oh, Ferry nearly give it back to us. Arman nearly touches off Kieran Williams. McCarthy does well. Can Abu get there? He does. Abu gets it first. Punches one forward. Owen Jones is getting held up by Bates, but Arman's going to get there. 2-on-2. Arman on the left-hand side to Shepherd. Chance to pull the trigger. Drills it straight at a defender. Greg gets there, though. He's got Abu outside him. Good, Greg to Abu on the left-hand side. Second goal kills the game here now. 87 minutes gone. Inside to Shepherd. Chance to turn. Goes backwards to Abu. Spins him. Abu clips one over the top for Arman. Good first touch. Chance. Corner. Well played out for West. The ball is certainly where we need it to be as we enter the final few minutes here. Arman is heading across with Shepherd here, potentially desperate to shout encouragement as always here. Ferry going to make another change. Ryan Joe went on for the home side. Former Bluebirds player once upon a time. Referee has allowed the corner to be taken short. Arman tried dribbling it into the box, but Bannon tackles him for a corner and then runs the ball back to the corner. But it's a Ferry change incoming. Referee again allows the corner to be taken. They're waiting to take a sub, but we're back underway. Shepherd. There's going to be a yellow card here for dissent again. It's the second one. He's got to go. Mitchell Bates, red card.
Oh,
it's 22 it is. Bates it is, isn't it? Mitchell Bates, second yellow card. He's gone. Andy Dyer, the Ferry manager, not happy with that one. Won't be happy with the bit of discipline here. Dissent. Oh, call kick. Unlucky Sheppy. Here we go. 89 on the clock. Fuller scuffs his goal kick. Take your time, Abu. Lots of time. Anderson coming across. He's got a chance to get it going. Abu puts one down the line. Arman, can he get there? It's a goal kick. Sees it out. Oh, couldn't quite see there. Fuller again. We'll be looking for a better connection on this one. He scuffed it straight to Abu, who was allowed to run straight back towards him. 89 and a half. Fuller, yeah, it's a better kick. It's towards an offside play. Surely Tom Walters coming from an offside position there. Owen Jones does well. Rolls Tom Price. Skips forward. Arman. He goes back to Kieran Williams, who goes back to Fuller. Slices it. It's gone straight up in the air. Shepherd's underneath it. Good first touch. Ricky Owen does get second ball. Owen goes back. It's going to be 6 minutes. It's incredible. How on earth is this 6 minutes? Walters. Oh, Fuller was out of goal. Walters goes across the Shepherd to Owen Jones. Drills it across the box. Oh, Ahmed! Goal! 2-0 Bluebirds. As the time went up for 6 minutes. A left-footed strike from Owen Jones at the left-hand side of the box. Misses Greg Walters' toes all the way to the back post. Ben Arman doubles the lead as we enter the 91st minute. Dare I say it? Is that the 3 points in the bag? Not quite yet. Substitutions, I think, incoming. I think Panache Makwaramiti is going to be coming on just to show things up here for the final few minutes. He's good. For the attack. 2-0 we lead. Back to Fuller from the kickoff. Alan Reese has been tremendous all through the games. The first header he's missed. What the touch, Owen Jones. He's away. Oh, he's clipped one round the back. Arman's on side. Down the right-hand side. Can it go again? Numbers forward. There's no need. Take your time. Inward. Kenneford plays a 1-2 with Arman in the box. Ooh, cleared. See it out for a throw in, huh? Oh, Ferry, keep it in. Price, Greg Walters. Keep hold of the ball, boys. Keep hold of the ball. Good idea. Greg just clips one forward. Nearly over Kieran Williams' head. He heads home to his keeper. Makwaramiti stripped. Next time he'll be coming on. He goes out of play. It's underneath Bacon. Good header, Bacon. Heads it out for a throw in on the far side.
Do it. Yes.
Ferry take the quick throw in. No chance for a substitution. Not quite ready by the fourth, it seems. Ferry on the far side. Hereford clips into an area. Well done, Bacon. Clears his lines. Only as far as Kieran Williams inside his own half. Left-footed. Straight back towards the Bluebirds' defence. Ivan North comes to collect. Collected. Does well, Ivan. Take your time, Ivan. He's thrown one out to Abu, who was in space, but just no need. Take your time, boys. Inward. Good ball, Abu to Arman. Back to Kenneford. Clips one forward. Shepherd's going to get there. On the edge of the left-hand side. Take your time, Sheps. Price making play it inward. Oh, Kenneford nearly. It's almost time to go the corner flag. 92.5 gone. Owen Jones back to Abu. I can't quite see there's a number of fans standing up. It's still in play. It's a throw in. Now the substitution can take place. It's Kyle Kenneford who's coming off. Take your time, Kyle. Number 11, Mark Wiramiti approaching the halfway line. Good shift from Kenneford. Done well. One of applause of appreciation from the supporters as Kenneford makes way. Defensive switch, perhaps another midfielder, but Kenneford makes way. Mark Wiramiti comes on. Gone straight towards Ricky Leo, and that'll be his man for the next 2.5 minutes. Come on, you Bluebirds, indeed. 2.5 minutes to go here. 2-0 we lead. Arman and Shepherd link up near the byline. Arman, oh, stolen. He sliced his clearance. Bacon comes across, and Dylan Rees does well. Well done, Dylan. It hits the stand. Tired. Tom Price coming across. Humphreys is stripped. Yori Humphreys about to come into play. Arman, oh, does well. Arman, he's dancing around. Rio Dyer coming in on Arman Strong. Very do indeed clear. And didn't really have any options. Skipped inside Hereford. Strike. High and wide. We'll take that. Yori Humphrey stripped, ready to come on, as is Harry Thomas. Late equaliser, 93rd minute up in North Wales. Caernarfon, 1-1. Interesting stuff in the top 6. Heading into the final 8 games after tonight there, I think. Ivan Knott on the ground at the moment, receiving some treatment from Henry Fensum as Harry Thomas, our number 44, and Yori Humphreys, our 24, are going to come on. It's the second goal scorer, Ben Arman, who comes off straight swap with Harry Thomas. And it's Ricky Watts. Good shift from him tonight in attack and defence. Makes way. Put the wrong number up, but I think we're going to allow it. Markham Jones is 7 off, 24 on. Like for like again, I think. Yori coming over right wing back instead of Ricky Watts. Just to see out the final, probably I'd say 2 minutes. Ivan back on his feet, goal kick. Good. Shepherd wins the first contact. Harry Thomas underneath it. Oh, had he stayed where he was, he probably would have won the ricochet. Dylan Reed 10 heads away. Can we get it? Oh, Bacon on his toes. Well played, Jacob. Just puts one forward. Under pressure, Kieran Williams. First time. Clears. Greg Walters on the second ball. And again, Greg Walters, well done. Brings another header. It's ricocheting Everett. Owen taking a bit late there, but Bates has to play it back towards Fuller. Clears first time towards Dylan Rees. Well done, Dylan. Jacob on the second ball. And Yori Humphreys does well. What's he giving? There is the full-time whistle. Another 2-0 on the road. 6 points from 6 to start off phase 2. Great result here. Having lost the Ferry 3 weeks ago. Get our own back. As Andy Dyer, the manager, comes over to shake hands. Respectfully, to be fair. With Gary Richards here this evening. Oof. Great result. Fab result, as Karen said. Gwych, come on, you Bluebirds. Indeed. Huge shift from the boys tonight. Thank you for joining us on the Bluebirds Nest Live. I think this evening, in the second half, we've had 451 people join us. So thanks to all of you, wherever you are, for joining us. And look forward to speaking to you in a couple of weeks for our next away fixture. Bluebirds Nest Live signing out, over and out for this evening.